Let's talk about the promotion button. The promotion. We click on the promotion. This is where you are transferring students from one academic year to another. You had academic year 2024-2025. You had academic year 2024-2025. Oh, yes, 2023-2024. So you have to promote students. So here I see 2024-2025 and here 2023-2024. Let me explain some few things. Okay, sorry about that. I think if you have watched the video on administrator how to create an academic year, you must make sure that when you are doing your promotion, you are still in the former academic year. You are still in the former academic year like this. If you are still in this year, this one should still be the current academic year that is running, but you create a new year that is 2024-2025. So this is our former academic year and this is the new session. We have to transfer students who have passed to this other academic year. So we take the class. If it is class 1, which class are they going to? We are sending them to class 2. Then we take fine. We have to make sure that we are still in the old session before promoting students to the next session. So we make sure the previous academic year is active. It must be active and be the running year. It is only when it is the running year that you can see the former year that you are transferring students from to the current year, to the next year. So this is the new academic year that you must have created, which is not running. So students have to leave from here to this. So once you do that, you select students are leaving class 1 to class 2. You take fine. So once you have fine, at the moment, ignore this. We are doing some updates so that once if a student passes, normally you will just see pass here. If he has failed, you will see fail here. So ignore this. So normally what most schools do is that you already know the students who have passed. So you just come here and take, you select to the next class. So normally look at what we did. We have selected class 1. Then we say we want to send them to class 2. It gives us here automatically, it is giving us the options and putting them in class 2 already, so that if we click on the promote button, they will all be sent to class 2. But now you can still decide. You can decide and you say remain in class 1. So if a student was first of all in class 1 and you are sending his mates to class 2, if this particular person failed, you can still say you can just change back to class 1. He's going to remain in class 1 in this new academic year, just like that. Now if they are going to have a different matricule in the next academic year, which is this, you can change, you can give them a new matricule, but it's not always advisable. I think they should just maintain, students should maintain the same matricule throughout the academic year. Is very important for consistency. Okay, if you want to check a student's data performance, it's always important you leave it as such. This is just there because some schools requested this for some funny reasons. So we have that. Once you have that and you feed the class, when you click on promote, all the students that were in class 1 last year will be sent to class 2 in this year. That is how promotion is done, as simple as that.